Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Dark Descent on the PC. Okay, the first step is to update the graphics card. I'm sure that everyone knows how to do that, so let's move on to solution number 2. Verify the integrity of the game files. You can do this on both Xbox Game Pass and Steam. It's very similar. On Steam, you just right click on the game, hit manage, hit properties, and then go to installed files and verify integrity of game files. On Xbox Game Pass, it's pretty similar. Just right click on the game, hit manage, and hit files, hit verify and repair. Also in Windows, you want to try this. Go to search, go to settings, go to apps, go to installed apps, find the game, Alien Dark Descent, left click on the 3 dots here, go to advanced options, and click on repair and reset. And this will basically clear the cache files on your local PC and verify a lot of the registry files as well. So this does fix a lot of issues. The next thing you want to do is allow the game through the firewall or disable the firewall in Windows. So type in firewall in search, I should say security, Windows security in search. Go to firewall and network protection, and you can basically just turn the firewall off, or you can say allow an app through the firewall and find the game and allow it. The next thing you want to try is to run the game as an administrator. How do you do that on Xbox Game Pass? So open up Xbox Game Pass, right click on the game, click on manage, click on files, click on browse, find the game file folder here, click on that, click on content, you'll see game launch helper.exe, right click on this, hit properties, hit compatibility, and click on run this game as an administrator, hit apply and hit OK. You can also try to disable full screen optimizations and see if that helps. You can also try running it in compatibility mode. Depending on what kind of graphics card you have, this could or could not help. Or you can just right click on it and say run as administrator here and see if that works. Okay, one of these should have helped. If it did, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment and we'll do my best to get back to you.